Here in this video we are going to discuss about the free body diagram. Shortly it's known as FBD. So here we can say if the body is completely isolated from its support and all the force acting on it are shown by vector. So it says that if the body is completely isolated means you will be remove all the supports and all the forces acting on it are shown by vectors. So here in FBD means free body diagram, you have to remove all the supports. After that you should show all the forces by vectors. So here we can also say free body diagram is representing the body which is free from the support. Okay, and here we can say to evaluate the force we have to draw FBD. So to evaluate the force we have to draw the FBD means free body diagram. So here we will understand by a figure. So here a simply supported beam is there. So here a support is there known as this point is A and this point is B. At point A there will be a reaction force is known as Ra, and at point B there is a reaction force known as Rb. So we have to remove all the support. So these are the supports. So we have to remove these supports. When we will be remove these supports, there will be reactive force will be act on that surface. So here the reactive force is Ra and Rb. Okay, and the another forces are acting. You can say F1 and F2. Okay, so here I will show F1 and F2. So here we can say before having the supports here A and B point is there. After removing the supports here the reaction force Ra and Rb is there. Coming to the next figure, here also you can see a wall is there and there is a object is there, and one end of this wall is fixed with the center of this object. Here we can say we will be remove all the supports. So here we can say this is only one support. So here we can say this is only one support, so we will be remove this support. So what will be the force will be act while we will be remove these supports, then there will be a what reactive force will be occur, means this object is resting on the wall, so there will be a reactive force will act on this point. If this point is A, then we can say a reactive force is known as Ra. So here a tensile force is there which will act on this point. So we can say tensile force is T. So we will show like that in vector form. Okay, and we know that a object has the weight force is known as W. So here we are removing this supports. After removing these supports we will get the reaction force Ra, and the string is here in tensile form known as T, and there is a weight force of the object. So here we are removing all the supports and we have just shown the forces by vector. So for this figure we can say this is our FBD. For this figure this is the FBD. So these two figures are with supports and these two figures are without supports. So why we will be draw the FBD to evaluate the forces, we have to draw the FBD means free body diagram. So this concept is very easy, as well as this concept is very important to engineering mechanics. You have to understand it. So thank you to all of you. See you in the next video.